Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how to do maybe 4 to 5 different head wraps using this long, beautiful army green scarf. So if y'all ready, let's get started. First off, you want to put your makeshift bun on your top of your head. So this is style number 1. Got this folded in half, long ways. Just want to lay this flat. And then I'm just going to tuck it. Take the other side, kind of spread it out a little bit, and wrap it around the other way, or in the other direction. Use proper terms here. You just want to make sure you tuck any of the seams, stitching. You don't want any of the stitching to show. And tuck the other side. So the back is looking. I like my ears to show, so I'll put that behind my ear. Slide it back a little bit to show my waves, keeping the black scarf covered. And there you have style number 1. Still keeping it folded long ways. This one is very similar to style number 1. We're going to go ahead and fold that in. And tie it in a knot. Go ahead and tuck the top of the bun in. Pull a little taut. Now what you want to do is just twist. And we'll take it and tuck it. Take the other side, twist the opposite direction, and you're going to wrap the opposite direction as well. Keep twisting. You can either go up or you can wrap low. I'm going to wrap low. I'm going to go ahead and tuck that as well. And this is what your bun should be looking like. I'm going to go ahead and pull my ears out once again, or you can leave your ears covered if you like that. Slide it back just a little to show off your waves. And this is style number 2. So style number 3 is similar to style 1 and 2. Still going with the top bun with our scarf folded in half long ways. Make sure the sides are pretty much even. I'm going to lay that over the bun. And we're going to bring it up and we're going to tie it. So you want to flip it and bring it through the hole. Pull it tight on the head. And then you're going to fold it again and tie another knot. And then you're going to fold it again and tie another knot. Flip it up. And then what you're going to do is wrap the back, kind of opening the material and wrapping it around the back. And then you really ain't gonna have anywhere to kind of tuck it because it's gonna be a little shorter, but you could pull it through the first hole that you made here. Kind of pull it through there to hold it, and while you wrap the second in the opposite direction. And you can bring that also through the first hole. I'm so tall, let me scoot down so y'all can see. All right, pushing this back so we can see a few waves peeking through. You can leave it over your ears if you like that look. It's kind of off to the side. It's kind of like a keyhole. I like that. So you can leave this over your ears, but like I said, I like mine's kind of sticking out. So that's what I'm going to do. Just pull my ears out because I like my ears to show. And this is style number 3. All right, style number 4. Just like similar to style number 1 and 2, but I'm gonna open up the material. Place it at the back of my neck, making sure each side is fairly even. And what I'm gonna do is gather the material. And I'm gonna bring it all to the front. Turn to the side for this one. I'm just gonna twist it down. What you want to do is hold the base and start to wrap. You don't have to wrap so tight with this one because I still kind of like a little volume to my bun. And you just want to keep wrapping until you get to the end and then tuck it. It's all about wrapping and tucking with these hairstyles. Make sure you get everything in place, tucking wherever it's needed. And you have your front bun. You can leave it on your forehead. I like my waves to show, so I'm gonna slide mine back just a little. And also you can leave it over your ears if you like. Me, y'all know me. I'm gonna take my ears out. And this bun is going to last me all day, like literally. And if you twist at the base tight enough, it would not slide off. I have a lot of girls that's saying they have problems with their bun sliding back with the scarf up underneath. I'm sorry, you can just put a cap up underneath, one of these, you know, caps up underneath, and that will aid as a grip for the material so it won't slide off your head. But yeah, this is style number 4. I'm going to put my bun back on, but we're going to put it on the back of our head. So kind of like in the back. It's going to be kind of like a low bun. See that? Gonna get our hair material. Gonna leave it open. Make sure it's even again on both sides. And we're gonna cover our bun. We're gonna cover from the front this time instead of the back. I'm just gonna put it right where the black stocking meets. I was having a brain fart, y'all, my bad. All right, so I'm gathering the material, pinching it up underneath the bottom, and that way it's gonna be secure. So with my hands, I just like to kind of roll the material together, and it's gonna keep it tight. And then I'm gonna incorporate the rest of the material. And then I'm going to twist it. And then we're going to wrap it, start wrapping it around our bun. You don't have to wrap super tight either, just as long as it stays. And this bun I've never done on my head before. I never wore my hair in this low bun before. So this is the first time I actually styled this, put this style in my head. And this will be considered your low bun. This is style number 5. Alright, so I decided to give y'all a bonus style. So this is style number 6. With the material fully open, you're going to put it at the front of your head. Drape it to the back. Still making sure the ends are even. Kind of bringing it behind your ears, as if you're going to create a ponytail. So what we're going to do is take both ends and just crisscross them in the back. Just cross them over and throw one side over this shoulder. We're going to start with this side, which is my right side, your guys' is left. So I'm just gathering all the material, and we're just going to twist it down. As we're twisting, we're going to bring it over our head, just like this. Over the ear, lay it over top of your head. We're going to create a crown for the queens out there. So what I'm doing is just tucking the rest of the material that I had left over. Just tucking it around just like this. And we're going to leave that. Go ahead and tuck your ends or whatever you have sticking out. Just make sure you tuck those in. All right, so we're working now with this side. We're going to twist in the, let's see, we're going to twist in the opposite direction, correct? Yeah, in the opposite direction. I'm sorry, let's bring this down. There we go. And then we're going to drape that, crossing it over in the other direction. Land that just like that. We're just going to find a place to tuck it. So we're going to do at this point, you can either leave it like this, or because I am such a drama queen and I'm so extra, I want to slide mine back to like the middle of my head to create a crown. And this is still on my head, it's still tight. I didn't add the scarf, but for extra security, so it won't slip off your head if you guys are feeling insecure that it will come off, put the cap on first and then create this style. You can either leave it like this, but because I like to show off my finger waves, I'm going to push it back a little bit. Just like that. Bringing some down on my little edges. Alright guys, if you like the hairstyles you've seen in today's video, go ahead and drop me a comment down section below. Let me know which hairstyle you like, 1 through 6. Give me a rating of each hairstyle if you can, and also share this video. If you're not subscribed to this channel and you'd like to see more easy, super duper content like this, something easy you can do at home on your own, then definitely subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I will catch you guys again in my next hair tutorial. You can turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on any of the content that I have coming. Alright y'all, thank you guys for watching.